guys, in this video we'll learn how you can listen to Spotify music with your friends over on Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. Now in order to do this, the best way is you just have to share your screen, and first of all open up your Discord, and right here you can see in the bottom we have a share screen button. So you're gonna tap on that and a new dialog box will be open, and make sure to select the applications tab from here. And if your Spotify is currently running in the background, a Spotify free screen will be available here. So you're gonna tap on that, and after that in the settings, don't change anything. Now if you're a paying subscriber, like if you're having Discord Nitro, then you can share your screen with 60 frames, but if you're not, then you can only go up to 30 FPS. Anyways, after that just tap on go live, and you can see we have a screen right here. Now if I open up my Spotify, you can see right here I have a little screen over on my Discord with Spotify. Now you just have to play any of the song, and all the members that are currently connected with your server will be able to get the screen, and they can listen to your songs. So that's how you can listen to Spotify music with your friends or on your Discord. So all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.